In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable audio in WebEx Meeting. First, launch WebEx on your device. You will see the application open up, presenting you with a clean interface. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for your meeting experience. Make sure your device is connected to the internet for a smooth start. Whether you are on a computer or a mobile device, the process is straightforward. You will feel confident knowing that you are using the right platform for your meeting needs. Next, log in if prompted. You might need to enter your credentials like your email and password. This step is important because logging in secures your account and ensures that you have access to your meetings. Once you enter your information, you may see a loading screen as WebEx verifies your details. After logging in, you will be taken to the meeting dashboard. This provides you with a sense of ownership and readiness for your audio setup. Before you enter the official room, WebEx displays a preview screen where you can configure your sound. On this preview screen, you get a chance to set everything up before joining. This is a vital moment because it allows you to ensure your audio settings are correct. You will notice several options available that can enhance your meeting experience. Take a moment to look around the interface. This preparation will save you time and hassle later. Look for the audio status drop-down menu, usually labeled Use Computer Audio. This menu is key to ensuring that your audio settings are tailored to your preferences. When you click on this dropdown, you will see different options available for audio connection. Selecting the right option here is essential because it determines how you will hear and be heard during the meeting. You will feel assured knowing you are taking control of your audio settings right from the start. Click Unmute to ensure your microphone turns active immediately upon entry. This action is critical because it allows your voice to be heard by others right away. Once you click Unmute, you will notice a change in the microphone icon on the screen, indicating that your microphone is now active. This immediate feedback reassures you that you are ready to participate in the meeting without delays. Click Test Speaker and Microphone to play a test sound and check your input volumes. This step is very important because it helps ensure that both your speakers and microphone are functioning properly. You will hear a sound that confirms your speaker is working, and you may also speak into the microphone to check the input levels. This quick test can save you from any audio issues during the meeting, allowing you to focus on the conversation rather than technical difficulties. By following these steps, you will be well prepared for your WebEx meetings. Each action you take plays a significant role in ensuring a smooth audio experience. Remember that setting up your audio properly not only enhances your participation, but also contributes to a more productive meeting environment. Now you are ready to engage effectively with your colleagues and enjoy your WebEx experience.